everybody, welcome back to my channel Makeup by Rainbow, and this is going to be a very special video because this is going to be my recreation of James Charles and Jean Leloup, if I got that right. Look, and this is basically dripping galaxy, my dripping galaxy look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys didn't enjoy this video, or if this is your first time coming across my channel or seeing my face, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button in the bars down below, darling, and leave your comments in the comment section down below. And just go ahead, subscribe. You're already here, so just go ahead and join the Rainbow Clan, Rainbow Fam, and Rainbow Gang, darling. So why not? So without further ado, let's get into this very easy and simple dripping galaxy makeup tutorial.
Just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it counting stars, get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. I know you wanna see me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. Go!